This is the Rivigear roof shade for Rivian R1T. In the box, you can find a pouch that contains the roof shade, installation instructions, and a reflective cloth that blocks the sunlight to enter the cabin through the glass roof. To install the reflective cloth, you just need to line it up with the roof shade and attach it with the built-in Velcro patches. The installation is very simple. Just open the shade and gently push the edges between the glass roof and the roof lining. It fits perfectly. And as a tip, Rivian used magnets to secure the front and back side of the headliner, which makes it even easier to install the roof shade.